Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a back button on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, it's important to know that iPhones don't have a dedicated back button like many Android phones. Instead, you usually swipe from the left edge of the screen to go back. However, you can create a similar experience using Assistive Touch. Open the Settings app, then go to Accessibility, tap Touch, and select Assistive Touch. Turn on the Assistive Touch toggle, and a floating button will appear on your screen. Next, tap Single Tap, Double Tap, or Long Press to customize what the floating button does. For example, you can set Single Tap to Home so one tap instantly takes you back to the home screen. You can also set Double Tap to App Switcher for quick access to your recently opened apps. While this doesn't create a true back button, it gives you faster navigation and makes it easier to switch between apps or return to the home screen without using gestures. Although iOS doesn't offer a dedicated back button, Assistive Touch is the closest alternative and works on virtually every iPhone. So that's basically how you can add a back button on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.